All right, we're working on a 2018 Ford Explorer. And what we're gonna do today is we're changing out the air intake hose, this section of it right here, because this piece is broken. All right, so I went ahead and purchased the aftermarket part. This is the Dorman 696133 is the item number. And we're going to save the customer a little bit of money. All right, so on here, if you're disconnecting this, it's really easy to do. You just slide this over. So with this piece here, you're just gonna put pressure backwards. Don't push too hard, it will break. As you push it over, you're gonna pull straight back and it'll just pop right off. So anyways, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this hose clamp, and we're gonna disconnect this hose clamp also. All right, now you got your hose clamps loosened. Just go ahead and pull back on it right here, and then this here will pop right out. Just like that. All right, so before you start installing the new one, you want to just double check to make sure that everything is the same. You want it to match up. So when you're reinstalling the new one, there's little tabs here. If you notice this whole unit right here, this has to seat down in between the groove. There's a groove underneath here. And so when you're sliding it in, just bring it up and then it like interlocks here. All right, so once you get it slid on, go ahead and put this on. It's nice, it's kind of like an accordion. You just push it in and then you just push straight down and then get it locked in. Now again, if you see here, there's this notch. This notch has to slide around this little tab that's sticking up. All right, before you start tightening up your hose clamps, what you want to do is just make sure that this is all seated down so it's flush with the mating surface and also on your throttle body. You also want to do the same thing here. So make sure it's seated down into the V, and then just run your fingers around and you can just make sure that it is flush with, there's a ridge that runs around it. And so just make sure that it's flush against that. Once you're happy with that, then go ahead. You can take an 8mm socket, stick it on there, crank these down, get them good and snug. All right, so next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the breather hose and you're just going to push it directly on, and then you'll hear it click. When it clicks, it's in place. So you have to use a little bit of force. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you're just going to reconnect your hose here. Make sure that the rubber is flush up against the plastic. And there you go. You're all done. All right, so that's the completed product. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one.